In Japan, a single grape can sometimes cost more than a meal at a Michelin-starred restaurant. Sounds unbelievable, right? Yet, this is a reality in Japan, a country where agriculture meets artistry and grapes become a symbol of perfection. But how do these fruits, typically inexpensive in the US, reach such astonishing prices? Behind these meticulously cultivated grapes lies a world of technological innovation, centuries-old farming techniques, and an unwavering dedication to the pursuit of perfection. If you think this all sounds too good to be true, wait until you discover the secret behind how Japanese farmers grow some of the rarest and most sought-after grapes in the world. You'll never look at a grape the same way again. The grape harvesting machine stands as a testament to Japanese engineering excellence, a sophisticated giant truck designed to automate the entire harvesting process. This remarkable piece of machinery has transformed traditional grape harvesting methods, making the process significantly more efficient while reducing the physical demands on farm workers. Equipped with an innovative vacuum system strategically positioned between the tires, this harvesting marvel securely holds the grape plants while delicately plucking bunches of perfectly ripened grapes. The automation not only saves valuable time but preserves the integrity of these luxury fruits, a critical factor when producing the world's most expensive grapes. With its ingeniously designed adjustable tires, the harvesting machine navigates effortlessly through the often non-linear arrangements of grapevines, demonstrating remarkable flexibility in the vineyard terrain. Beyond merely harvesting, this technological wonder handles every aspect of the process, from the gentle plucking of grape clusters to cleaning and temporary storage before transport. The machine performs these complex tasks with Japanese precision, maintaining the exceptional quality standards that make Japanese grapes so highly coveted in global markets. After harvest, the perfectly collected grapes are carefully loaded onto the truck, which transports them to designated processing facilities where the next phase of their journey to luxury status begins. This remarkable technology represents Japan's commitment to combining traditional agricultural wisdom with cutting-edge innovation, ensuring that their grape industry remains at the forefront of global excellence. The art of cultivating Japan's premium grapes reveals itself in the meticulous process that occurs as the vines spring back to life. As grapevines begin their annual growth cycle, delicate grape flowers emerge on the branches, signaling the beginning of a crucial phase in the production process. It is during this critical period that Japanese farmers demonstrate their extraordinary expertise, carefully removing a precise number of flowers from each developing cluster. This deliberate thinning process, performed with specialized pruning shears, serves a vital purpose, redirecting and concentrating essential nutrients to the remaining clusters. By strategically reducing the number of developing grapes, farmers ensure that each remaining fruit receives an optimal share of nutrients, allowing them to grow substantially larger and develop the exceptional sweetness that commands premium prices worldwide. The flower removal technique requires years of experience and remarkable precision, as removing exactly the right number of flowers creates the perfect balance between quantity and quality, a hallmark of Japan's luxury grape production. But the farmer's attention to detail doesn't end there. Once the fruit begins to form, they undertake an even more specialized intervention using small, precision-crafted pruning shears. With surgical precision, they carefully trim away the smaller, underdeveloped grapes located inside each cluster, leaving only the roundest, most perfectly formed specimens. This painstaking selection process ensures that every grape within the cluster develops evenly, resulting in visually stunning, uniformly sized fruits that meet Japan's extraordinary quality standards. The meticulous pruning not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the grape clusters, but significantly improves their overall quality, producing the magnificent specimens that justify their status as the world's most expensive grapes. The exceptional quality of Japan's premium grapes owes much to the country's sophisticated understanding of how environmental factors influence fruit development. Sunlight emerges as perhaps the single most critical element in creating the perfect growing conditions for these luxury fruits. Japanese grape farmers have developed ingenious methods, akin to natural solar panels, to capture and maximize sunlight exposure for their precious vines. The strategic positioning of trellises and growing structures demonstrates the farmers' deep knowledge of how sunlight interaction affects grape development. The more direct sunlight the vines receive, the more abundant and extraordinarily sweet the resulting grapes will be. While grapevines can survive in partial shade, Japan's premium varieties require at least 7 hours of direct sunlight daily to develop the exquisite sugar content and flavor complexity that command record-breaking prices. When establishing new vineyards, Japanese farmers meticulously position their trellises facing southward whenever possible, creating optimal conditions for the vines to capture maximum sunlight throughout the growing season. This precise orientation functions similar to how solar panels are positioned to maximize energy collection, ensuring that every grape receives the ideal light exposure for perfect development. Beyond sunlight management, Japanese farmers pay extraordinary attention to soil conditions, creating perfectly balanced growing environments where their luxury grapes thrive. The country's grape specialists understand that well-drained soil is absolutely essential. Constantly soggy or waterlogged conditions can lead to root problems that would compromise the exceptional quality they strive to achieve. Through generations of agricultural wisdom, they've perfected the delicate balance of maintaining consistently moist yet well-drained soil, creating the ideal foundation for producing the world's most expensive grapes. The journey toward producing Japan's legendary premium grapes begins long before the fruits appear, with a farming cycle that demands extraordinary attention to detail from the very start. At the dawn of each new growing season, skilled workers undertake the critical task of preparing the vineyard by methodically cleaning away all remnants of the previous harvest. This essential cleaning process, performed with specialized washing machines and careful manual techniques, ensures that the growing environment is pristine and optimized for the new season's extraordinary grapes. Farm workers meticulously wash and dust each grapevine, demonstrating the exceptional Japanese commitment to cleanliness that forms the foundation of their luxury agricultural products. This thorough cleaning procedure, while labor-intensive, creates optimal conditions for the upcoming growing season by removing potential sources of disease or contamination. Once the vines are impeccably clean, workers apply precisely formulated protective treatments to shield the plants from pests and diseases that could compromise their development. This early intervention strategy represents a crucial protective measure, safeguarding the health of these valuable plants as they begin their annual regrowth cycle. The extraordinary dedication of Japanese grape farm workers becomes particularly evident during this preparatory period, as they lavish attention on each individual vine. Every branch receives individual care and assessment, ensuring that each plant is properly nurtured from the very beginning of its annual growth cycle. This foundation of immaculate preparation and protection sets the stage for the exceptional quality that makes Japanese grapes the most expensive and sought after in the world. The extraordinary care lavished on Japan's premium grapes extends well beyond the growing phase, with packaging representing a critical final step in preserving their world-class quality. Once the grapes have reached their optimal size and development, they enter a sophisticated packaging process designed to protect them from any environmental contamination. Using specialized packaging machines and techniques, skilled workers meticulously wrap each precious bunch of grapes in protective materials, either premium paper or specialized plastic barriers. This protective layer serves as a shield against germs and bacteria, preserving the pristine condition of the grapes as they continue their natural ripening process. As the grapes gradually transform to their mature coloration, whether deep red or lustrous black, they are carefully harvested from the branches by workers trained in handling these luxury fruits. Each harvested bunch is delicately placed in custom-designed trays specifically engineered to prevent any damage during transport to exclusive markets. These specialty trays, transported under carefully controlled conditions, ensure that Japan's premium grapes reach consumers in absolutely perfect condition. To maintain their reputation for producing the world's most expensive grapes, highly trained quality control specialists continuously inspect the entire vineyard. These experts select only the most flawlessly ripened bunches, ensuring that every grape cluster that bears the mark of Japanese excellence meets the extraordinary standards that command premium prices worldwide. These exceptional grape clusters, nurtured through a perfect balance of natural processes and technical innovation, eventually grace the tables of discerning consumers who appreciate the unparalleled experience of consuming Japan's legendary fruit. Beyond their extraordinary taste and appearance, Japan's premium grapes offer an impressive nutritional profile that contributes to their status as luxury health foods. Advanced nutritional analyzers reveal that a single cup of these exceptional grapes contains over 121 grams of water, making them an excellent natural source of hydration. Laboratory analysis shows these premium fruits are exceptionally rich in powerful antioxidants, including rare compounds like lutein and zeaxanthin that support optimal health. The vibrant skins of red Japanese grapes contain particularly high concentrations of resveratrol, a remarkable phytochemical that scientific studies have linked to protection against several chronic diseases and conditions. This natural compound, measured in higher concentrations in Japanese premium varieties, has captured significant attention from health researchers worldwide for its potential longevity-promoting properties. Sophisticated nutritional profiling additionally reveals that these luxury grapes contain exceptional levels of flavonoids like myricetin and quercetin, contributing substantially to their documented health benefits. These bioactive compounds work synergistically to create a nutritional profile unique to Japan's meticulously cultivated grape varieties. The extraordinary nutritional density of these premium grapes adds another dimension to their value, positioning them not merely as luxury foods, but as functional health products. Japan's grape farming industry has capitalized on this understanding, developing cultivation techniques specifically designed to maximize the concentration of these beneficial compounds. Through generations of agricultural refinement, Japanese farmers have created grape varieties that offer not only unparalleled taste experiences, but also deliver exceptional nutritional benefits that justify their premium position in the global market. The journey toward producing Japan's legendary grapes continues with advanced growing systems that support perfect fruit development. Japan's premium grape farmers have developed sophisticated automated trellis systems that provide ideal structural support for developing grape clusters. These advanced trellises not only support the weight of the growing fruit, but create optimal spacing for air circulation and sunlight penetration, crucial elements in producing perfect grapes. The precision engineering of these support systems demonstrates the extraordinary attention to detail that characterizes Japan's approach to luxury grape production. As the carefully nurtured grapes grow and develop, the automated trellis systems adjust to provide continuous, optimal support throughout the maturation process. This technical innovation represents just one example of how Japan has revolutionized traditional grape growing by combining agricultural wisdom with cutting-edge technology. The automated trellis systems work in harmony with Japan's meticulous farming practices, creating ideal growing conditions for producing the world's most expensive grapes. Through this perfect integration of technology and traditional knowledge, Japanese grape farmers have established new global standards for luxury fruit production. The extraordinary care invested in creating these ideal growing conditions reflects Japan's unwavering commitment to agricultural excellence. From the initial vineyard preparation to the final harvest, every aspect of Japan's grape production demonstrates a singular focus on creating fruits worthy of their premium global status. The remarkable story of Japan's premium grape production illustrates how this ancient farming practice has evolved into a sophisticated modern enterprise combining tradition with cutting-edge innovation. From the meticulous vineyard preparation to the advanced harvesting technology, every step in the process demonstrates the extraordinary commitment to excellence that makes Japanese grapes the most expensive in the world. The complex and rewarding endeavor of premium grape cultivation requires careful planning, specialized knowledge, and an unwavering dedication to quality that has become synonymous with Japanese agricultural practices. Whether operating small specialized vineyards or larger production facilities, Japan's grape farmers share a deep understanding of the intricate science behind creating perfect fruits. The future of Japan's grape industry looks exceptionally promising as technological advancements continue to enhance efficiency and quality while preserving the artisanal approach that makes these fruits so special. New innovations in grape cultivation techniques continue to emerge from Japan's agricultural research centers, offering exciting possibilities for even greater refinement of these luxury products. The world's growing appreciation for exceptional quality and unique agricultural products ensures that demand for Japan's premium grapes will continue to expand in global markets. Through their extraordinary attention to detail and unwavering quality standards, Japanese grape farmers have created a product that transcends ordinary fruit to become a luxury experience worthy of its premium price. As consumers increasingly seek authentic, expertly crafted agricultural products, Japan's position as the producer of the world's most expensive grapes seems assured for generations to come. The remarkable story of these extraordinary fruits offers inspirational insights into how traditional farming wisdom, when combined with technological innovation and unwavering quality standards, can create agricultural products that truly stand among the world's finest luxury goods.